start here. Notice that my feet are flat and I get my butt up off the ground. And then I like to just hold my hands like this. You can put them here however you like, but this is how I like to do it. And then you start by rolling the upper back. Go nice and slow. You can kind of lean to one side, roll one area, and then roll the other side. And you do that for 20-30 seconds or so. I'm going to shorten it for the purpose of this video. And then bring that foam roller back down to the lower back. It's right on my lower back here. And then again, lift your butt up off the ground. Keep your feet flat. And then again, roll the one side first. I like to roll the lat, this long muscle here on the side of your back. So you can roll that out good, all the way down to the lower back. And then over to the other side. And do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that for about 20-30 seconds on each side, next we're going to move on to the glutes. So you're actually going to sit on the foam roller. I like to, you can do this like this. We're basically hitting the outside of the glute right here. And you can do it like this, but I like to cross my leg over and really focus on just putting my weight down into my butt basically and rolling out the soft part right under the hip bone here, right on the outside of the glute. And just roll that out. Say about 20-30 seconds. Switch it over to the other side. I'll save you the time. Do the same thing on the other side like that. And then lastly, if your hamstrings are sore or if you have tight hamstrings, you can basically sit on the top of the roller here, so the roller is right under the back side of my legs here, underneath my quads on my hamstrings, and just roll it forward and back. All in all, this warm-up should take you about 3 minutes total.